Audio playing from video. I have finally found you. Will you marry me? I will marry you, my love. You are watching video and synchronized audio generated entirely by a new AI model from ByteDance. Right now, you can create shots exactly like this one without spending a single penny. The catch is that the platform operates on a credit system. Once you run out of your initial free credits, the tool locks you out. But there is a specific workaround we can use to bypass that limit and reload those credits as many times as we need. By pairing this ByteDance model with a simple account cycling technique, you are able to remove the paywall completely. You get sustained access to high-end AI video generation, totally free. Step 1 is finding the platform. Open your preferred search engine and type in the word Byte Plus. This mockup shows exactly what you need to find in the search results. Before you click, look for this abstract geometric logo sitting right next to the Byte Plus name to verify you are on the official site. Once you are on the site, locate the Sign Up button. When the registration window opens, choose the option to continue with an email address. Here is where we apply the unlimited credit technique. Instead of using your personal email, use a temporary email service, often called temp mail. Temp mail is a free service that provides a disposable email address you can use to receive confirmation links without linking to your actual identity. The system will ask you to prove you are human. Just click and drag the puzzle piece into the empty box to pass the security check. After verification, your dashboard will load. Look for the button labeled Try AI Models and click it to open the generator. Because we used a disposable address, we aren't tied to a single account. The moment this specific profile runs out of credits, we can simply generate a new temporary email, register again, and start with a full balance. Welcome to the main workspace. This is the interface where we actually build the videos. This core mechanic uses first and second frames. You provide two distinct images, and the AI fills in the motion. Start by uploading your starting image into the left box. Next, place your ending image into the right box. Below those images, there is a text bar. Here, you type a specific prompt describing exactly how you want the subject to move or change to get from that first frame to the second frame. Giving the AI strict starting and ending visuals acts like a set of guardrails. It prevents the model from generating random, unwanted motion, which means a much higher percentage of your generations will actually be usable. Before you hit generate, we need to adjust the default settings. If you leave them as they are, the system will drain your free credits in just a few clicks. Turn your attention to the settings panel located on the right side of the interface. First, locate the aspect ratio options. Aspect ratio refers to the proportional relationship between a video's width and its height. Select 16:9, which is the standard widescreen format for YouTube and desktop monitors. Looking at this mock-up of the resolution settings, you can see our next step. While the platform allows it, you must stay away from 1080p if you want to conserve credits. Select either 720p or 480p to keep the generation cost low while maintaining clear quality. Next is the most critical step for preservation. By default, the system might try to generate 4 or 5 variations per prompt. Manually drag the Number of Videos slider all the way down to exactly 1. Finally, check the bottom of the panel for the Output Sound toggle. Make sure this is switched on so the AI generates synchronized sound effects and dialogue along with your footage. Eventually, the Generate button will turn gray and become unclickable. That is your visual cue that the account is empty. When that happens, sign out, generate a new temp mail address, and start the cycle over. Operating with strict discipline on these settings stretches the lifespan of each disposable account. You spend less time making new accounts and more time actually generating video. Once your images, prompt, and settings are locked in, hit Generate to see the result. Notice the fluid transition between the two frames, and listen to the audio track that the model built automatically to match the visuals. Historically, AI companies introduce these powerful models for free to build an audience, and then place them strictly behind paywalls once they gain traction. Capitalizing on these tools while they are open is what separates early adopters from creators who end up paying premium subscription fees later. If this workflow helps your production process, leave a like so others can find it, and check out the channel for more technical video strategies.